Starting a business usually means dealing with paperwork, legal requirements, branding, websites, and about 17 tabs you forgot to close. Zen Business Velo wants to simplify that process by bringing AI into the mix. Instead of just helping you form an LLC, Velo is designed to guide you through building and launching your business. It can help generate business ideas, create branding, build a website, and handle some of the early steps that normally require multiple tools. The convenience is that it is the biggest selling point. For someone starting from zero, having everything in one platform can save time and reduce the usual what do I do next chaos. But here's the catch: AI can help you start faster, but it doesn't magically create a successful business. You still need a solid idea, actual customers, and a plan beyond whatever the chatbot confidently invents at 2 a.m. So, is Zen Business Velo the best way to start a business using AI? It could be one of the easiest options for beginners, especially if you want business formation and AI tools in one place. But whether it's worth paying for depends on how much of the work you actually want to automate.